Hi, and thank you for joining me today. I'm Marcy with the Girlfriends Lounge, and I'm doing another unboxing of the Your Creative Studio subscription box. The SKU number is right here, and I will link the information down below. So let's open and see what's inside. Oh, very pretty. You always get a little thank you card. It gives a little inclination of what is in the box. So let's take this out. They are always filled with so many goodies. Let's see. There are 2 cling stamps and some masking tape washi. Here's some more clear stamps. Oh, this one's mystery, top secret. That's cute. A European style metal magnifier. Won't this come in handy? Every once in a while you get little pieces like this. I'll have to see if I can find it, but there was a little metal bookmark that I got in another box. So very cute. So we have stamps, washi. See, there's some paper, a paper set here, and some, these are probably die cuts, journal cards, maybe some paper. And then these are the 2 sticker sheets that they typically send. They'll send one of each of these in whatever theme that month is. So we have some little quotes here, and those are clear stickers. And then these are a fabric. They feel like a fabric or a linen. And then these are also stickers. And then they usually include a a paper pack. So I will unbox everything. These are either labels or stickers or stamps. So I'll open everything and then I'll be right back. Thank you. Okay, so here is everything that was in the box, unpackaged, and the little magnifying glass that we opened already. So here are the clings that you get. It's very cute. And then here's the next one. And there's the image. Binoculars, very cute. And then the clear stamp set. There may still be a little bit of a glare. I'll try to hold it like that. So here are the different stamps that you get. Again, very cute. And let's see, here is some paper. This looks like it's all vellum. Here is an image on the back of the different paper selections you get. And I think I'm backwards. Or who knows? Okay. I think we got it now. Maybe not. Okay. See, it's nice. You get a variety. And it looks like some of the same images are just on different colored paper, because I think we saw the ring already. Those are nice. And let's see what else we have. Oh, we can do the washi tape real quick. Not real quick. Are you in a hurry? I'm not. I am on vacation at the time of this recording. I am in Las Vegas still. So here is the washi. Very pretty. And then let's go through these. Save these pieces. They are awesome to use when journaling or putting your journal together. Here is one, not to get off track, but I am. So this is one of those cards, and I leave it just the way it is. I just put a little sentiment over where it says paper ephemera. I put a pocket using some of the paper that was in this, and always glue down the washi. I've noticed that it does lift up. This is I think this is a vellum sheet of paper that I glued on to the back, added a pocket, and it's a nice little thing to put in the journal. Love using the packaging. My husband says I hoard. I don't hoard, I collect, and it always comes in handy. So here are some of the cards that you get. Very cute. And it looks like you get 2 different sizes. And this is a multi. You get 4 of each, it looks like. There. I didn't check to see. I don't think they're stickers. No, they're double-sided. Oh, but they're double-sided. Are they all double-sided? Nice. That is very cute. So I do appreciate the fact that they're double-sided now, because, and that you get so many images, because if you're using, you could use, well, on these there's only 1 of each, but on the small ones you could use both sides. You could use one side for one image and then turn it around for another. And then this is, well, you get 2 little doilies and some paper, 2 little labels. Oh, here's another one. These are just paper. There's no stickers that I've found yet, but you get 2 of each. Here are the bigger sizes. So it looks like you get 2 of each kind. So here are those. Oh, that's pretty. And these look like they're just singles. And there you go. That's that set. And then I will lay all of these out and I'll be right back. So here are all of the stickers laid out. They are, they're not a translucent sticker, but they are a very thick sticker. So I will spin you around to look at all of them. And then I will come back with the last item of the paper. Okay, and so this is the last item. Keep these. They are come in very handy. Here are the images that you get. You also get each of the images in sticker paper, vellum, art, and pattern. And again, it's the same 6 images on each of the paper options. I like to show the solid paper and then the vellum because they're the same, but it's the same image, but it looks just, it's just, I don't know, sometimes vellum is just so much prettier. And that is the image that is on the card. I love this whole mystery one. So that is the paper pack. So this concludes this subscription box. I just, I write the details of the box on the wrapping paper or the tissue paper that's inside. And this one's going to need a little bit of glue. And then I store all of these in a bag I got from Temu. I can fit about 6 in there. And these bags are on a Temu, the massive Temu haul that I did, I think in September. So it just makes it nice to have them all together. If I start pulling items out of, like this one has a lot of the papers are themed, so I'll keep the themed items together. And then like labels that are generic, stickers that are generic, I'll pull those out into like my main stash. But I do like keeping things together. So I appreciate you joining me today. Thank you so much. Have a magnificent day, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.